One thing, one thing I love about these small chicken, their level of understanding is on a very higher level. As you can see, we have two males in just one place. Two males. We had four females. We had two males and four females here, but two females are now. How do they call it? They are there. Give. They want to. How do I say it? I forget the English word. But we collected all the eggs and give it to two birds. Okay. Yeah. So they are there. They are going to give us the chicks. Here we have two females and two males. You see? That one with red mouth and white ears are male. And also this one is a male. That one without the red whatever is a female. They are two. You see? But they are not fighting. Yeah. You see the level of understanding. They love each other. They just making sound. Yalla, come outside. Yes, come out. You want to fight me? You see? Two males are caring for their females. Oh, no. These are new. They have never came outside. I don't know. Look at them. They are four with one male. This one, the brown one, is a male. Then the others are female. But they always been same place. I don't know why. Why are you behaving like babies? They can't even come out. They are new. They are new. They are very, very new. But the old ones are enjoying. They know how we do it. We come outside, we play, we eat the grass, and then we go inside. Nutambukia. Man of all seasons. Man of all seasons. Ah, they want water. Let me open the water for them. Ay, 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 ay,